Latitude's composite decking and railing is specifically designed to deliver what consumers want from their decks: beauty and hassle-free upkeep. Latitudes employs proven Strandex technology and offers design flexibility and ease of use, making it the most attractive composite product on the market. Latitude's decking features a reversible finish and is available in redwood, cedar, gray, walnut, and sienna. Choose from solid decking or Latitude's Equator slotted decking, which features a unique hidden fastener system. With so many unique options and elegant designs in railings, balusters, and post caps, Latitudes adds a distinct look to any deck. For long-lasting beauty, no worries upkeep, and years of carefree enjoyment, set your course for Latitudes.